Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Now, we all know about the head and shoulders here. We are currently bouncing off the next neckline. And guess what? We're trying to break out above this Ganfan line where we've had some considerable support and resistance. So take a look, guys. If we're able to break out above this Ganfan line, right, we move into this quadrant right here. We've been stuck in this one. We move into this one right here. That's going to be very, very important because instead of having a high level of about 43,000, we can start having high estimates of about 48,600 or even all the way over here about 47,000. So this is really going to be a big help. Now there are going to be some levels of resistance here. Of course, we got the 20, we got the 50. There's a lot of stuff that can block our way here. But if we can get out of this head and shoulders pattern, then we can just start working on another pattern. Head and shoulders patterns can only last for so long. We can't have a head and shoulders where we're just staying over here, for too long. Then the head and shoulders pattern breaks off, and then bulls will get more confident. Right now, we're just waiting for bulls to feel confident enough to start pumping Bitcoin back up. If they don't feel enough confidence over the next few days, Bitcoin will go down below 39,600, and it'll be a short-term disaster for a lot of holders, right? So for now, guys, this is the thing to watch. We're most likely going to get rejected here, and we have an opportunity to, consolidate for a little bit, then try to pop up again. There is going to be a wall here. The current plan is to just nibble away at that wall. And then if you get a few whales to do some big chunks out of that wall, that's really going to be the thing that causes this to pop up. So if I go over here to the seconds chart, let's just go back over here. You can see how close we got before we got knocked down. So let me go here. Looks like it just happened a few seconds ago. Looks like that high was at about 42,925 and 7 cents. And that wall is way up here at about $43,049. So as we go down that wall, we'll obviously go down just a teeny bit here, but not by much. So keep an eye on this, guys. This is going to be a real fun day for Bitcoin. And I think we have an opportunity to have a nice pop. And if you guys have noticed already, a lot of the altcoins have been popping off as well. So take advantage of this. Remember, if Bitcoin gets rejected, all these gains by the altcoins will go away. So just be aware of that. But for now, enjoy it. And if you took that position with me yesterday, congrats. Doctor